Come with me on a 24-hour trip to grab some content from a client while she's in Vegas, baby. All right, so there I am walking in my Toms. Now I'm on the Strip. I have no idea what that is, but just thought I'd put it in a video. Thought it was cool. I am not going to see that show. I don't even know why it drove past me. In Vegas, there are so many families. I never knew that people actually take their families to Vegas. I didn't think about that. So my daughter actually saw this on FGTV. I wanted to get in one of those boats, but I had to go work. I got to record that content, so I had to go. Couldn't get in the boat. Okay, more people walking. We use this as B-roll. Buddy has a lot of restaurants. Okay, Cake Boss has a ton of restaurants. He also has this cake ATM. This cake ATM is so dope. This is an amazing business model. If you can bake cakes or do anything like that, where you can put it like in the refrigeration, this is an amazing business model for you. Cake slices, $8. I did not buy one. I was like, I'm not spending $8 on a slice of cake, but this is an amazing business model. We definitely may need to do a video on it. You can literally bake cakes, slice them up, put them in boxes, put them in this cake ATM, put them in the airport. And what a passive income stream do you have? Oh my gosh. And he has several of them around. All right, here we are. Here's a little clip of the Caesar Palace sign. Thought that was cool. Thought that would be some good B-roll. Not sure what I was going to use it for. But whenever I'm out, I try to grab more content than I need. So here we are. I got the back of some guys' heads. That's always great content that you can have for transitions that you need. White Castle. My kids love White Castle. So I was like, oh, I did not know they had one in Vegas. So we recorded that for them. Back of people's heads again. Here I am walking to the venue. Once again, more B-roll of folks just walking around. Now, I captured some people's faces, but I tried my best not to like directly capture faces and try to get the back of heads as much as possible. My client had a line outside the venue, so I thought it would be great to capture a line outside so we can use that in the content in some kind of way. So I thought it was pretty cool that T.I. was taking a picture of Laura Hayes, so I recorded that. If you don't know who this is, get off my page. If you don't know who this is, get off my page. He's a great comedian. He was funny. Overall, it was a really great trip. We were able to grab some content for her social media channels, put stuff on YouTube, the TikToks, the everythings. And also, I got to meet some pretty amazing. Thanks for coming along with me. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.